Hello there, Stephanie Cameraman, the Stock Whisperer, here to tell you the Weekly Whisper. It's March 11th, Sunday night. And I do apologize, I did not do a Weekly Whisper last week. I was traveling, I was at the New York Traders Expo, and then I had to fly out to Wisconsin and then to Arizona. So it was really hard, but I promise I'm going to give you extra special whispers this week. So let's start with the SPY. So as you know, that 272.97 level was so key on February 24th. And we did have a really nice trade above it. And then we were bearish below 270.04. And there's actually a great short below that. And guess where we came down to? This was the coolest part. We came down to that 53 million level, 264.46. That is so key. Those computers were still buying, and we had late buy prints every single day last week. If you were in my trading room, we saw something so spectacular, a secret signal trade on March 7th. I'm going to show you guys what that is in case you missed it. This is so cool. Check out this huge 500,000 print. Okay, look at this at $280.90. The SPY was trading at $272.91. This is $8 above where it was trading. That's why we call it a secret signal trade. That was on March 7th. And what happens is we end up usually, nothing is 100%, but usually going to that level. And guess what happened? Oh yeah, we rallied all the way to 278.87 on Friday. And I am watching the futures this morning, actually this evening. And right now the futures for the E-minis are up, and look where we are, right at that 2,800 level. Pretty cool stuff, you guys. So yeah, we're going to definitely watch the 280 level. Friday we had 19 million late dark pool buy prints, and I'm going to show you those. All at 274.09, and here they are, actually 07. 274.07. Yeah, all these were late dark pool buy prints that came in all day long. So that's a really key level. I'll remain bullish as long as we stay above that. And of course, we'll see what other levels come in. So let's go to the Russell. So the Russell, we were bullish above 154, which we are. We had dark pool this week at 156.36. That's what we had on Friday. So I'm going to be bullish as long as we stay above that. And the QQQs. This week we're watching 169.84. That was late dark pool buy prints on Friday. So if I see any late sell prints coming in, I will definitely push that out. If you're in my trading room, you'll be trading it with us. Let's go to gold. So 2 weeks ago we spotted those huge prints on ABX at 12.25, and we were bearish below 12, and this was an amazing short. But this week, guess what? We spotted a couple million prints on IAU at 12.71. So this is how I'm going to trade it. If we break above 12.80, all right, then I will be bullish on gold. I do like to trade GLD. IAU is pretty slow, but I'll watch it for the levels. Silver also had some pretty big prints at 1580. I'm sorry, 1571. So I'm going to be bullish above 1580 this week if we can close above that. But the big thing that we're watching, you guys, is oil. We've had, look at the massive volume. Look at these. Wow, we had massive spikes, 1020, 1040. And this week we had 1068. Massive. So I'm really excited because I know oil is going to have a very big move. So we're going to be bullish on DBO above 1080. Also want to watch USO because we had big prints on USO at 12.12 and 12.55. So going to be bullish above 12.55 for USO. And of course, if both those guys are above those levels, uber bullish. Oils could definitely going to be a great trade if we could break above those levels. Patience. Patience is key. So financials was an amazing trade over the past couple weeks. We've had a lot of prints coming in. This week we had 10 million on XLF, 28.89, and so we're bullish above 29, and we are above that. Now 30 is going to be a big level. Yeah, all the computers are programmed to sell at 30. In fact, that's what happened back here. Okay, everybody's going to be lined up to sell the first time. All those computers are selling. But guess what happens the second time? There's going to be less computers selling. So while it may have a little bit of resistance, there's higher odds that it can break above. So if we could close above 30, then we'll be on to much higher levels. That's going to be really, really key. So let's go to tech. Yeah, definitely. Let's go to tech. I love Apple. Apple's a great trade. We had some really nice prints this week. I'm going to be bullish above 180. You can see that has been a massive level. And again, if we can break through that this week, much higher highs are to be expected. Facebook, also watching the 185 level. We had prints on Facebook this week as well, so going to be bullish above 185. NVIDIA was a fantastic trade in my room. We had a 500,000 share print at 240 and change, and 81 cents, and a lot of my traders are long NVIDIA. I still love it. I love it above 245 this week. And then you can see also we've hit 250 a few times. So if we can break above that, then we'll be off. So there's so many of these tech stocks at these really significant levels, and that's why I'm really excited to trade this week to see if we can get above that. PayPal, unusual million share print at 79.51. I love this above 80. As long as she can stay above 80, I like it. You can see here, this candle, let me just highlight that for you. Yeah, this was a Wyckoff up thrust here at the 80 level. The sellers came in and knocked it down, and then we had to retest the next candle on lower volume. Yeah, that was bearish, but now here we have this bullish doji sandwich, which I absolutely love. We closed above that high of the doji candle, and you can see the doji candle had pretty significant volume here. All right, so I absolutely love it as long as it stays above the prints. It looks like she might fill in this gap fill to 84 right now. So yeah, I love PayPal, especially above 80. Let's see, we had a lot of prints this week. Tuesday was such a busy day. I didn't even get to eat lunch. They were coming in left and right. So these are prints from Tuesday. XLRE. We had massive prints at 30.37, bullish above 30.50. Absolutely love this. There's some more room till we get to 31.50 is going to be resistance, and 32.50. I've drawn some trend lines going out. But, you know, look at this volume, you guys. This is beautiful. This is a really nice rounded bottom with accentuated volume right here. There's usually higher volume on this side of the bottom and this side. And once we get this volume here, that's when I like to enter. So I love it. This is the real estate ETF. Also XLP. Love XLP, and you can see same exact pattern. We have this rounded bottom, we had volume here, and now prints came in on XLP 53.84. So we are going to be bullish above 54. There will be resistance, some resistance at that 55 area, but we've already tested it, okay, not too long ago. So it shouldn't have as much trouble getting through that this time. Now here's a very unusual print that we had this week on Canada, the ETF, which mostly consists of banks and some energy. EWC, 9 million, you guys. I don't know the last time I ever saw that. This is going to move. The prints happened at 27.64. So I'm going to be bullish above 28. It closed right there, and I'm only going to be bearish below 27.50. But this looks bullish. But again, if we do close below 27.50, I'll go short. But it looks amazing. It's definitely going to have a really big move. Coca-Cola. Yeah, I was trading this one this week off that big print. $44.03 was the print, bullish above 44.20. It's going to have some resistance again at 45. And you can tell that a lot of these charts look the same, don't they? Yeah, I love that. I see the same pattern on so many of these. And Walmart, this thing got killed. Earnings. And don't ever try to bottom fish this. Wait for the print. So you can see that Walmart came down to this 200 moving average. And guess what we spotted? Big prints at $88.35 on Friday. Going to be bullish above 88.50. I absolutely love this trade. We have a gap here. And there we go. So here's the trade setup. Usually we're going to make the move to the gap, pull back, and then fill it in. And that usually forms a cup and handle, by the way. So that's going to be our trade setup. But as long as we stay above the prints, absolutely love it. We also had prints on retail. Now, we don't normally get a big print on the retail ETF, but we did on XRT. $44.95. You can see it's in a pretty much of a wedge right here. I'm going to be bullish above 45.20, but I'm going to be uber bullish if she could break above 46. Now let's talk about cryptocurrency. I know a lot of you trade crypto, and let me just get my crypto charts here for you. All right, so Bitcoin, normally I would be bullish above 10,000, but you can see that these EMAs, I use the 12 EMA and the 26 EMA. Those are the MACD EMAs. On the daily chart, I like to buy it above those guys. So I'm changing my level up 10,500 bullish on Bitcoin. Let's move to Ethereum. Ethereum, I'm going to be bullish above 825 for Ethereum this week. We're below that. And last but not least, Litecoin. I'm going to be bullish above 200. So come watch me trade these stocks and so many more all day long in my live trading room. Happy trading, everybody. That's my secret. Gonna keep it my secret. My secret.